Hello, it's me. I'm back with a mukbang. So, you know what? I swear I wouldn't do one of these videos again. But you know what? It is what it is. Let's just do them. You guys want them, so here we go. And I'm in the mood to eat on camera, so let's just do it. I'm gonna do a classic homemade Chinese meal with chicken, broccoli, carrots. It is healthy, but also sprouts, rice, noodles. We'll call it Chinese stir fry. You see the steams on the plate? I don't know if you can see that. And then my new favorite, which I'm going to talk about in a favorites video, the huge favorites video I'm going to be filming in a minute after this video. The Simple Truth Organic Creamy Goddess Dressing, you guys. It's like when you ketchup. I put it on everything now. It's zero sugar, zero sugar. It's amazing. It only has like 1 gram of saturated fat per serving. It's so good. It does have garlic though, and apple vinegar, so you know if you're sensitive to that. I used to be, but not as much anymore as I used to be. But anyway, this is amazing. Okay, so I just basically dunk this on everything now. I use it as ketchup. I know, right? A mess. But yeah, so there we go. Normally I would lick the jar, but on camera I think it's kind of gross, so I'm gonna save you guys from that cringy moment. And yeah, we're gonna get into it, you guys. You know the deal. Like, up, subscribe, great bell. I just filmed a get ready with me on this look. Well, it'll be out before this video is up. Almost it over. It's an hour, so there you go. So good. My water. I'm gonna film a huge favorites when this video's over, and then I'm gonna film a 90s tag, possibly today. Queen of content is back, honey. I miss uploading for you guys. I mean, I've been doing the drama videos. I've been doing, you know, the vlogs, but you know, I miss the makeup videos. I miss the sit-down videos, showing you guys stuff and talking to you guys. I want to do more of those again, so I got you, girl. And guys, because guys watch me too, but you know, call everyone girl if I can. So, oh my god. Eating healthy though. It's so good. I'm gonna sweater on because it's kind of cold. Cause it's like, it's always, I'm either hot or cold. So like the windows are open, and the lights are on. Turn the AC on, cause then it gets really hot. But then when I do that, it got too cold. So it's what it is. This wig and this look, I'm living for it. You have to go out to get ready with me. I did. Also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat if you haven't already, because I've been posting a lot of new content on there too. Pictures of us at the zoo, selfie of me and this look. Oh, some cute things. This is so good. This sauce, you guys, you have to get it. It's so good. It's healthy. It makes everything so good. Now the 90s tag will be clickbaited, just so you guys know ahead of time. So yeah. I'm probably going to talk about a clickbait, some of my childhood or something, maybe, or like, yeah. So if you see that video, just click it. It's in that 90s tag coming up in a few days. And then a makeup review and a huge haul in a few days as well. So, tons of content. coming. This is so good, you guys. Yeah, I don't like Brussels sprouts or broccoli. This is like mixed in with other things. And with sauce on top of it, okay, I can do it then. By itself. The only thing green I like is money and eyeshadow, honey. Ain't that the truth? Oh my gosh. Oh, I do like green noodles though. I like avocado though. That's green. Never mind. Take it back. This sauce, you guys. Oh my god. I'm like shook. Just don't forget to shake it before you open it, because otherwise it's just too thick and gross. Exactly. You were thinking it. I'm not gonna even go. I'm not gonna go there. I'm not gonna go there. But we're all both thinking it. So shake it well before opening, or before using it, and refrigerate after opening, obviously. So good. So good. You know it's good when you clear your plate, honey. So I'm gonna finish some of this water and then I'm gonna go. Just a quick mukbang for you guys. Why not? I know I always say this, but I really want to do fast food mukbangs for you guys. Let me know what fast food place you want to do. Should I do McDonald's? Should I do Chick-fil-A? I usually just do, if I do fast food, I usually just do nuggets and a fries, so it's kind of boring, but but it's still fast food, so something different. I mean, I'll still gonna do like the homemade mukbangs too, because I know you guys like these too, but. Ooh, that was good. That was nice. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna leave it there. This is from Walmart, the sweater. I don't know, I think the shirt's from Walmart too. Excuse me, this is my Gremlin shirt. He looks so cute. I had to get it. Remember last fall I hauled it. So, oh God, my burps. But up now in the next video, but probably the next video too. I'm gonna put my huge favorites. Like, really like a 3 months favorites combined. Next, and then hopefully a 90s tag too. If I have energy. But yeah, you know the deal. Like, up, subscribe, great bell. Love to have you here if you're new. Join the Diva Squad, join the party. Thanks for 18,000, you guys. Crazy. On the road to 20,000. I'm so excited, you guys. My goal is 20,000 by the end of the year. Can we do it? Maybe? Hopefully. So yeah, 18,000, amazing. So subscribe if you haven't already. Like up, great bell, so you don't miss a video. I've been uploading a lot more recently, and God, the content's gonna keep on coming, girl. I want to upload at least 3 times a week. At least 3 times a week, not including drama videos. So, anyway, I love you guys so much. Anyway, I'll see you guys very soon. Until next time, stay first inside. Let's have a wonderful your day, and show love, like, great bell, subscribe. Until next time, bye.